In this quick tutorial video, let me show you the way that you log in to your Deezer's account on your mobile or using the web version. If you have an account of Deezer's and you're trying to log into it, in this video, let me show you how. Now, using the mobile app, first of all, make sure you download the Deezer's app onto your phone, whether you're using an Android or an iOS. Once the app has been downloaded, open up the app. Now, the way that you log into your Deezer's account is the way that you signed up. If you sign up using any of these IDs, such as your Google account, your Facebook account, or your Apple ID, you can just tap on these options, select your account, and you'll be immediately logged in. However, if you use your email address, tap on Continue Email, type in the email that you used while signing up, tap on Continue, and then type in the password of your account. Now, what you can also do is log in without a password. So if you tap on this option right here, you're going to get a link on your email address. So you can just tap on Open Email. And you're going to get this email from Deezer's, where you can now just tap on Login Now. Select your Deezer's account and you'll be instantly logged into your account. Now, for the web version, you can just open up a web browser. It's also going to be the same process if you're using a laptop. Search for Deezer.com on your web browser and you'll be taken to the website of Deezer's. Now, in order for you to log into your account, you can tap on the three lines on the top right of the screen. Tap on Login. And as we did earlier, you'll need to type in your email address and the password of your account and then tap on Continue. If you've used your Google account, Facebook account, or your Apple ID, tap on one of these options and you will be instantly logged in to your Deezer's account. That's pretty much it for today's video. I do hope this guide video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much it for today. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.